Understanding karmic disease. Karmic diseases are often referred to only as spiritual diseases, for they are manifested only on a non-material spiritual, simply energy level, and materialistic methods cannot identify, describe, or eliminate them. After all, every disease has its cause in ignorance and subsequent incorrect, unnatural behavior, and the objective of every disease is to extend our cognition to fulfill our karma. Therefore, all inconveniences and painful moments, ranging from the common cold to cancer, are not an arbitrariness of our disobedient body, which for unknown reasons is functioning differently, inadequately, but of the creative spirit ourselves. It can be an opportunity to face ourselves and how we are living and become a force for positive change. Earth, water, fire, and wind represent the fundamental forces that comprise the universe. They make up both our external world or our environment and the internal world of our bodies. Earth is mountains, rocks, stones, and sand. In our bodies, it is skin, hair, nails, teeth, and bones. Water is the rivers and seas, our blood and other bodily fluids. Fire is the tremendous heat generated beneath the Earth's surface, which causes volcanoes to erupt. In our bodies, it is temperature and digestion. Wind is the fluidity of the air, our respiration and metabolism. Because we are so closely linked, when there is any disharmony or imbalance in our environment, it naturally follows that our bodies will be affected. If we are not able to adjust to environmental changes, it can cause us to become ill. We have experienced many incidents of unseasonal weather in recent years. Mild winters, droughts, high winds, and heavy rainfall disrupt the natural flow of the seasons. Viruses and bacteria flourish, as well as making us more prone to ailments. These imbalances can cause us to feel despondent and depressed. Similarly, when one part of the body is affected by illness, other parts are automatically affected. This understanding of the body as an interrelated balance of energies connected to the balance and energies of the earth and indeed the universe means that any illness suffered by an individual can be seen in the widest possible context. One's body is not just an isolated piece of machinery of which one part has become faulty and needs to be fixed. Buddhist understanding recognizes that whole series of influences from within and without affect the health of an individual. The use of mediation as an inward-directed, self-oriented tool which can lead to an attitude of detachment from daily life and arrogance towards others. This is sometimes translated as poor posture. In a general sense, we can interpret it to mean lack of exercise and an inward-looking mentality. If we can manage to establish a healthy daily rhythm of life, it enables us to deal with the complexities of modern living and is of enormous value in contributing to our well-being. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.